Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to show the last playlist tip on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button under the playlist option at the left side on the screen and go to the Settings button. Scroll down and in the Extra Settings section you can find the first option, the interface, and in the audio section you can find the first option, the show last playlist tip. Shows a tip helping you to resume audio playback on app start, and if you want to enable this function, just click to the next square icon and this enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.